Welcome to our short guide of optimizing your cleaning solution from Saremco Print Cleaning Concentrate for reuse or recycling in just 2 simple steps. Let's dive in. Place your container with the used cleaning solution into a UV curing device. Carefully remove the container from the UV curing device, revealing the resin transformed into a distinct disc shape within the water. Improve your cleaning solution's quality by filtering it through a fine nylon fabric filter. This step ensures the removal of any residual resin, giving you a purified cleaning solution. The outcome? A purified solution, free from lingering resin, ready for responsible reuse or disposal. Help the environment by recycling or reusing your cleaning solution. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips. See you next time.